nature.
It's human nature.
And I'm not sorry.
I'm not sorry.
I'm not your bitch, don't hang your shit on me.
It's human nature.
You wouldn't let me say the words I love to say. You didn't want to see life through my eyes.
Express yourself, don't repress yourself.
You tried to shove me back inside your narrow room and silence me with bitterness and lies. Did I say something wrong? Oops, I didn't know I could talk about sex.
I must have been crazy.
Did I stay too long? Oops, I didn't know I could speak my mind.
What was I thinking?
And I'm not sorry.
I'm not sorry.
It's human nature.
It's human nature.
And I'm not sorry.
I'm not sorry.
I'm not your bitch, don't hang your shit on me.
It's human nature.
You punish me for telling you my fantasy, for breaking all the rules I didn't make.
Express yourself, don't repress yourself.
You took my words and made a trick for sin.